Log into the TeamOB console. Click on the left side hamburger icon. Then click on Configure menu. Click on Leave Type tab. Fill the leave name, leave type and abbreviation as per your requirement. After filling, click on Submit button. If you want to view the created leave, then click on View tab. Click on Leave Management menu. Click on Balance tab. Click on Actions button, then select Leave Journal. Select Journal date. Select the employee ID, and it will automatically fill the employee name. Select Leave type. Write any description as per your requirement. Then enter leave count. If you want to view the created leave, then click on View tab. I have logged into TeamOB tool as a user on my desktop and I want to leave for 2 days. Click on TeamOB icon, then click on Dashboard. Scroll down and click on Leave Management tab. Click on Leave Request. User can see how many counting leaves are available. Select Start Period, End Period, Leave Type and write any note. Go back to TeamOB console. Select Date to Date, Leave Type and User as per your requirement. In my case, I am selecting for all users. Then click on Go. You can see the user's request. Click on Date. Review the user's request. If you agree with his request, click Accept, otherwise click Reject. You can also export the request log as Excel. User can see the request accepted by his team leader or admin. Open the user dashboard. Scroll down and click on Leave Management tab. You can see a request accepted by an admin or team leader.